I'm Richard Hooper and this is SatTV. Now I'm pleased to be joined by Huang Baozhong of APT Satellite. Now, tell me a little bit about the APSTAR 9 and its progress.
APSTAR 9 is progressing as scheduled, and we plan to launch the satellite in October this year. APSTAR 9 is composing of traditional C-band and Ku-band. The features of the design is that we designed two separate C-band beam, a dedicated Indonesia-Malaysia beam, and also a wider beam covering the whole Southeast Asia-Pacific region, including some Pacific islands. So Ku-band, our major target is maritime services. So we have a full Ku-band beam, 3 fixed, 1 steerable. So aiming to provide the maritime services for all the Southeast Asia and the Pacific islands.
So why is this new satellite so important to the company?
There are two things. One thing is we understand the demand from the Southeast Asia is changing. So the satellite is important. We want to supply to our traditional market the most powerful, the most reliable satellite capacities, and we use this capacity to lock up our loyal clients there. So this is one purpose. The other purpose is we are trying hard to enter into a new service area, which is maritime services. So this is the first time we have a dedicated design for maritime payload.
Right. Now, the Africa region, it's important to most people and it's important to you. So how are you developing that region?
Yes, we have some capacity supply to Africa, both in C-band and the Ku-band, using our APSTAR 7. Our Ku-band can cover around 2/3 of the African country, especially the eastern coast. We have a very good coverage. And so far we are still considered APSTAR 7 Africa beam is the largest in the region. So it is very well positioned for the in-flight connections there, for transnational services in the area. And the other feature is we have a cross-strut function between MENA beam and Africa beam, where people can pick up content from Europe, for example in Germany, in Munich, and they can bring beautiful content all the way to South Africa, Eastern Africa, where I work about. So they do not need to maintain a hub in Africa. They can have a hub in Europe or Middle East, but they can reach most of countries in Africa. So this is the beauty of the satellite. Locally, it is also a good satellite. If you look at China's Africa relationship, so I believe our APSTAR 7 can also bridge the economic relations between China and African countries.
All right. So what are the challenges you see going forward for APT Satellite?
There's, as I said during the CASPA's satellite forum, it's not easy for satellite operators now. We are facing facing challenges from different directions. Number one is terrestrial side. We are challenged by the optic fiber. This is not a new topic, especially in Indonesia, in Africa. More and more submarine cables connected. So then release some trunk services. So this is a great reduction of transponder capacity. As I learned, in Indonesia alone, by replacing satellite, they will release around 30 transponders in C-band. So this is almost one satellite.
Yeah.
In Africa, more and more fiber is also connected. So the telcos are switching over from satellite to fiber as well. And since there's not so many professional experts in Africa, so what they require is to have not just bandwidth, they just need managed services. They want to pay like a traditional phone line. I pay you based on bandwidth subscription, not in terms of megahertz, but in terms of megabits. And the requirement is the price expectation is very, very low at the moment. So, and on the other side, traditional satellite operators facing the challenge from the high throughput satellite as well.
Yeah.
And so in response to that, we are also considering to invest our own HTS payload to serve those trust customers who do not require higher availability, but with cheaper and wide bandwidth. And the challenges is not only from that. The challenges we are facing is also some short-term marketing behavior, which is we consider is a dumping of satellite capacities far below the cost. So this is from our inside of our industry. And the customers' consumption behavior also constitute a challenge as well. For example, from the media side, the customer now more and more prefer to watch the TV using their mobile terminals. Recently, I had a talk with HBO. They showed me some TV apps which is widely distributed in Asia, and they can give you easy access, very fluent stream of those reputable TV channels in the world, and the customer do not need to pay, and there's no ads, and it's so smooth, quality is good. So if this behavior continues, the content provider will not make money, satellite operator will lose the customer, and the industry will finally damage.
Yeah.
So that is another challenge as well.
So going forward,
Yeah.
what is APSTAR going to do over the next 12 months?
APSTAR, I think we are a satellite operator. We want to be a leading satellite operator in the region. We want to keep our marketing positions. So the strategy facing that is we need to be more closer to our clients. We need to understand much more from our clients. So we need to propose more tailor-made solutions for our clients. So this is our strategy. For the satellite side, we have a few satellite plans in mind. In addition to APSTAR 9, which will be launched in the coming October, we have APSTAR 5C. Probably very soon we will sign the contract for APSTAR 5C. We plan to have HTS payload on board as well. And this is going to be a much larger satellite than the previous one, APSTAR 5. And we are also considering to have other plans. Since we are listed companies, I'm not authorized to review too much. But certainly we have several ambitious plans in consideration.
Huang Baozhong, thank you very much.
Thank you.